kind of niche should you go for? And so let me give you an overview real fast. If you think about dropshipping, health, and let's say a beauty product, you need to understand that the world is changing all the time. Okay, so you are looking at a global market. It doesn't matter if you are selling in the States or you're targeting North America, like the States, Canada, or other kind of familiar countries. You need to understand that you're having competitions. You're having competition from all over the world. You can have someone actually in Taiwan or in Australia, or you can have someone in Nigeria, for instance, actually competing with you. Okay. But the cool thing is that beauty and personal care is actually one of the top selling retail niches because every single human being got to take care of himself or herself, right? So people spend significant amounts of money on personal care products, and you can make money by fulfilling their demand. It's all about having the right niche. It's all about having the right angle. It's all about solving a problem. Okay, you can't just sell a product because you want to sell a product. You got to really, I would say, solve a solution. You got to bring a solution to the market. Okay, so you can have you can actually use social media to actually boost your store. Okay, you can use Instagram, you can use Facebook, you can use Pinterest, you can use Snapchat. It really depends. And also think about spending money on ads to actually boost your store's profile. So let me give you the top products here. If you think about the top beauty and health dropshipping products and suppliers this year, you want to first think about facial and skincare products. Facial and skincare products are pretty popular. And here I'm speaking about Ice Cube roller massager, for instance, patches. Those are always, I would say, with a female audience. Okay. You also have LED light therapy masks. Those are pretty good also in terms of accessibility, but also in terms of convenience. Okay. And you also have an ultrasonic facial cleanser. And finally, you have a hydrating face mask set. So that's in the category of facial and skincare products. Another category that you will love is actually makeup and accessories. So here I'm speaking about magnetic lashes, makeup brush cleaner machines, face lifting tapes. Those are pretty popular also, especially among a younger audience. Okay. You also have luxury makeup brush set, and you have a lip plumper serum. So those are pretty good products, and you don't need to have a FDA approval to actually sell them. And you can sell them across the board. Just make sure you choose your niche really well, so you can increase your chances of conversion. Another top beauty and health dropshipping products you can think about is in the healthcare and styling category. So you have facial and skincare products. You have makeup and accessories, but you also have a hair care and styling. And here I'm speaking about a very specific set of products. You have hair growth oil. I mean, this is really popular, especially in a younger female audience. Okay, so that's really good. And I want you to really remember that. So hair growth oil is pretty profitable too. You have silk sleep cap, and this is actually this product reduces friction between hair and pillows during sleep. You also have a scalp massager brush. You have heatless curling sets. This is another wonderful product that people love all over the world. And you have natural solid shampoo bars. Okay. And so the thing is that here you have an eco-friendly product, okay? So if you have an audience that really cares about the impact of their purchases on the environment, you want to really look for something like that, natural solid shampoo bars. You also have body and wellness products. Here I'm speaking about crystal hair eraser. Okay, this is really good, and this is actually what I love about this product, and what people love about this product is that they are handheld instruments with a smooth top and a bottom made of crystalline glass. Okay, and as a user, you can remove hair by rubbing the glass surface on the skin in a circular motion. So this is pretty good. This is pretty non-abrasive. Okay, so people love that all over the world. You also have electric body exfoliating brush. So this product sports an automated 360-degree rotating brush head to exfoliate a user's skin and remove dirt. Okay. It is actually a convenient, if you think about it, a convenient solution for keeping the skin fresh and healthy, removing the need to apply manual force to achieve the same goal. And this is one of the best dropshipping beauty products because it actually solves a pain point for buyers. See, you always have to solve a pain point for buyers. You also have organic bath bombs. You also have anti-cellulite massager and slimming sweat belt. Now we move on to another category. So if you think about the top beauty and health products that you can think about dropshipping this year, I also want to talk quickly about health and well-being products. And here we are speaking about posture corrector. So posture corrector has some kind of physiotherapeutic sort of inclination, if you think about it. Okay. You also have neck and shoulder massager. You have an anti-snoring device. I mean, anti-snoring devices are really cool because snoring can be annoying to deal with, and people all over the world will have to deal with snoring. Okay, I don't know anybody who doesn't have a snoring problem, quote unquote problem, in their family. So the cool thing is that anti-snoring devices help solve this problem. So they are oral appliances or nostril aids that keep a user's airway open during sleep, reducing the vibrations that cause snoring. So when used correctly, anti-snoring devices significantly improve sleep quality. And sleep quality not just for the person himself or herself, but also for his or her entourage too, okay? So that's really important. You also have a CBD oil for relaxation. So if you're looking for a top dropshipping product to consider in the health and beauty sector, think about CBD oil. And CBD-based wellness products are a fast-growing segment of the beauty industry, and you can actually break into the market with this CBD-based oil used for pain relief and relaxation. And you don't need to actually have a FDA approval, so that's pretty cool. No FDA approval needed, and you also have natural deodorants. So there is a significant shift away from traditional deodorants towards chemical-free options. Okay. So the chemical-free options actually, they provide the same protection against body odor while avoiding potential skin irritations and chemical exposure associated with conventional deodorants. So this is kind of cool because bottom line is customers are often willing to pay more for natural deodorants than conventional ones. So those are the top 25 products for you to consider if you think about beauty and health dropshipping. Okay. Now let me share with you a few of the places where you can get those products. Who are the top suppliers when it comes to dropshipping products in the beauty and health space? And what I want to do is I want to talk about the global suppliers, and then I want to talk about the USA-based suppliers, and also finally talk to you about European and Asian suppliers, because your supplier is going to be quintessential. It's going to be the cornerstone of your dropshipping business. It doesn't matter if you are dropshipping beauty and health products or other products. Your supplier are going to vouch. I mean, your supplier are going to maintain a certain guarantee. I mean, there's no guarantee, but a certain quality of products. Okay, from the get-go. So when you think about global suppliers in the health and beauty space, you have AliExpress, CJ Dropshipping, Banggood, and Zendrop. So those are reliable suppliers that offer beauty products to global customers. Okay, if you think about AliExpress, for instance, they operate an e-commerce marketplace where dropshippers can find suppliers for beauty products. And Zendrop, if you were to go with Zendrop, here you have a supplier that differentiates itself with a directly controlled supply chain to ensure consistent quality and speedy delivery. So this is really good. What about the USA-based suppliers? Well, you have Walmart, Target, Kohl's, and Macy's. Those are major brick-and-mortar retailers, okay? And they also have business-to-business programs that enable retailers to obtain beauty products at bulk prices. Alternatively, you can buy these products directly from their outlets and sell them at a markup in your store. So this is totally fantastic, especially if you think about Walmart, for instance. I mean, Walmart has over 4,500 stores and 40 fulfillment centers across the US. So this is kind of cool to consider them. You also have European and Asian suppliers. And in the health and beauty space, you have the likes of Sheen, you have Blanca Beauty, you have Nova Angel. This is actually can be really good for you. If you need more explanation on that front, let me know in the comment section, and I can certainly explain things to you more. Okay. For instance, Sheen. Singapore-based Shein is your best bet for selling beauty products to an Asian audience. Okay. Nova Angle has robust wholesale retail networks across the European Union. Blanca is an ideal choice if you want to build a private label makeup brand. So what's the strategy here? If you think about the top beauty and health dropshipping products, you got to really ask yourself, how do you actually go about attracting the right audience to your store? The first thing you want to do is you want to choose your niche and analyze market trends. See, don't try to sell health and beauty products to everybody. Don't try to sell, let's say, any products to anybody. No, you will end up losing money. You will end up not making one penny of sale. You want to really choose your niche, and you want to analyze market trends. You want to make sure the niche is profitable. The niche is actually in sync with your strategy in terms of marketing, in terms of content, in terms of messaging. Okay. So you want to find also reliable dropshipping suppliers. So once you actually identify the niche you're comfortable with, you got to have the dropshipping suppliers. Like I said before, suppliers actually are going to maintain the viability of your niche, the viability of your business model. Okay. Now, how do you actually choose the supplier? It really depends on where you are at. Are you a new dropshipper? Are you an existing dropshipper who wants to pivot? Are you I would say, a growing dropshipper? Are you a niche dropshipper? So when choosing a supplier, you want to look at product quality, pricing, fees, shipping, return, and refund policies, especially in the long run. So for instance, when I say product quality, you need a supplier that offers durable, high quality products for your customers, because your customers are going to be the final deciders as to whether or not the quality is there. The third thing you want to do is to build your online store. You have lots of platforms that help you big time get it done real fast. Okay, so from Shopify to BigCommerce to WooCommerce to Ship4Shop, you have a lot of players. Okay, you also have Wix. So the cool thing is you don't have to write code anymore. No, you can actually create an online store real fast. And the cool thing is nowadays you have providers that even use artificial intelligence to create a website. So you have AI-powered website builders that can really help you be even faster in your e-commerce journey. So when it comes to beauty and health dropshipping, you also want to optimize your dropshipping store for SEO and conversions, because see, the thing is, when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, you are banking on having organic traffic. Now, this might take some time, or might be quick, depending on the keywords that you are targeting and the popularity of those keywords. But if you're going in pretty competitive keywords, you're going to be there for a while. But it always makes sense to actually beef up your SEO real time. Okay, and you can also streamline your conversions by investing, for instance, on better copy, by working on your ads, your creatives. Maybe you want to try Instagram ads or Facebook ads or TikTok ads, but you got to have a conduit where you are bringing qualified leads and then finally managing and qualifying those needs. And you also want to develop a strategic marketing plan. So marketing is necessary for every dropshipping business. So what you want to do here is that you need, actually, at a minimum, you need a strategic plan to promote your products and win customers in a very, I would say, often tumultuous sea of competition. So social media provides an effective medium to promote beauty products, right? Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Pinterest, and so on and so forth. And you can run targeted ads with small budgets and increase your budget as your business grows. And finally, you want to focus on customer service and retention. This is going to help you big time because you do not want to increase your CAC, your customer acquisition cost. And the only way to you can actually reduce it, or at least help maintaining at a very static, at a very stable level, is to actually nurture your relationships with customers, your existing customers. Make sure you're providing good service, that you are not just good, excellent service, that you are providing the products that your customers want, and you are willing to go the extra mile to make sure your customers are satisfied with the level of service you provide. So it's important to understand that when it comes to beauty and health dropshipping products, everything starts with the niche that you're in, okay? And once you have the niche, you got to look for the products that they are interested in, and then from there, you got to choose the distributor, the supplier, the platform that can really help you. So if you can get those three things actually taken care of, you would have won maybe 70% or 75% of the problem, okay? Because everything else is just logistics. For instance, when I say marketing, for instance, you just got to make sure that you are advertising on the right platform, and you are advertising to the right people at the right time, right? So that's logistics. That's actually the execution. But you got to first come up with a strategy. You got to come up with a vision. You got to come up with what really matters to your drop shipping business. And if it's customer loyalty, you want to orientate your advertising around loyalty. If you want to focus on quality, you have to customize your messaging towards quality. So everything you actually choose, you have to direct your marketing towards that. Okay. But one thing you need to understand is that there is no need. I think I've said this before, but I want to say this again. You don't need to have FDA approval. You can dropship beauty and health products generally without formal certification. However, you may need to have a license to sell specific health products like electrical hair tools. So let me know in the comment section if you have any question about a product that you want to sell or that you are selling right now, and I'll let you know based on the product you're selling whether or not you need a certification. Okay, and basically you can actually go on trends on social media to see what kind of popular products are out there, and then don't try to reinvent the wheel. Just to find a good and quality supplier for that product that you see rising in popularity on social media, and then apply the same strategy of selling at or below the price that the product is already selling. So this is really cool from a flexibility point of view. This is really good. So in conclusion to this conversation, I spoke to you about the top beauty and health dropshipping products and suppliers. I gave you the overview, the top products, the top suppliers, and the strategy. Thank you so much. God bless you. I will see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.